Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time for me to update my mini madness project rolling pan with the wonderful PANtastic ladies of Facebook. Down below in that description box, I'm going to include a link for the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group page, as well as a link that will lead you to all of the other participants who are in this collaboration. This is a rolling project pan, so as you use an item up, you get to roll another one in. You start off with your 10 items, hopefully that will be finished by the month of December. We'll see. So we are on update number 8. I have stuck with this for 8 months. It has been amazing. I love it so much. So without further ado, let's get into this. So as I do each month, I'm going to start off with what is still going strong. Our Smashbox Photo Finish Original Primer. This half-ounce size, I swear to God, is a ridiculous amount of primer apparently for me. I really can't measure it because we're at that little like funky air bubble phase where I can't get it, to push down so I can actually measure how much is in there. But if I had to guess, I'm thinking I would be just under the last line that I put on here from the last time I actually put a line on here, which I think was like 2 months ago. Our Tarte Hydro Splash Color Lipstick in the shade Set Sail. Nub. We are still at a little bit of a nub, but it is almost a flattened nub. We are just about done. So next up we have the Josie Marin Surreal Argan Finishing Balm. We are scraping around the edges on this one. I'm guessing I have 1 or 2 uses maybe left out of this. Maybe 2, definitely 1. Our 2 liners that are still going strong, but I will say are getting much harder to sharpen because they're just such tiny little nubs. That is the Lancome Drama Pencil, Liquid Pencil in the shade Noir Intense, and the Sephora Gels Waterproof 12-Hour Contour Eyeliner in the shade Love Affair. Next up, we have the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. We have got a little bit left in there, not a whole lot. It's definitely more than halfway used up. We're all around the sides and a little on the bottom, so that's making progress. And finally, the fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask with Seaweed. I've used this again. I'm probably about the halfway point, so that's kind of nice. The sample contains, I would guesstimate, about 4 uses. And so now, what is leaving? What have I finished? Or what am I just getting rid of? So first thing up, so sad, the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. Guys, this product is amazing. It is in my cart. I am going to purchase this. Such a good product. So finish that up. And now these next 2 things, they have to go. First up is the Sephora Triple Action Micellar water, or it's cleansing water, but it's micellar water. This one has a candula extract. I don't know if that's what it is in this. Usually micellar waters do not irritate me, but this burns my eyes something ferocious. I did try to give it a good try and get through it, but I just, I have other stuff. I don't have to burn my eyes to remove my makeup. So yeah, that one's just got to go. It's just really irritating for my eyes. And then next up, that would be this, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I did go ahead and give this another try. There's probably 1, maybe 2 uses left in this. I just do not like this foundation. It oxidizes on me something ferociously. Like, I have it on today and I had to use some of my custom cover drops from Cover FX to help yellow it some because it turns so orange on me, even though this is supposed to be a Y yellow color. I can't do this. It's gotta go. And since I rolled 3 products out, that means we're rolling 3 products in. So here we go. First thing I have up here, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For. This is the No Filter Mattifying Primer Complexion Perfector. 1,000 words there. Next up is the Tarte Deep Dive Rainforest of the Sea Cleanser. I love this stuff, so this won't be hard to use, and it just so happens this is coming at a good time because I've run out of my normal nighttime cleanser, so I'll be happy to throw this guy in the mix. He won't be here long. And I thought, why not? I have this Olay Micro Grubbing Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow Body Wash. Take a breath. With crushed ginger. And I thought, hey, why not? I haven't hardly thrown in any like body skin products or hair products or anything. So I thought, why not? We'll throw this in there. I have it. So that's it. That is update number 8 in the Project Pan Mini Madness Rolling Pan that I am doing again with the wonderful ladies at the PANtastic Ladies of Facebook group. Definitely make sure that you open up that description box down below to check out the PANtastic Ladies as well as all of the other people who are doing this collab. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, oh God, it's the cat. Really, Hissy, you scared me half to death. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to